Good morning, student. Today in this class we are going to solve some more question, and today I am going to start the question number 43. I think it's the last question of this chapter. After that some additional question is given. Okay, then after this you will try some other questions, additional question. Any problem is there, then ask me by phone or by WhatsApp group or by the comment. Okay, so today I am going to start the question number 43. Okay beta, question number 43. Before that 37, 38, 39, then 2 or 3 questions remain. You will try that question. Okay, and any problem is there, then tell about that. Okay beta, now today I am going to start question number 43. Just see the question. Following is the receipts and payment account is there. Balance BD 34,000. Subscription 2 lakh. Government grant 75,000. Legacy 1,50,000. Donation 1 lakh. Donation for tournament 50,000. Sell of defense bonds 40,000. Interest on defense bonds 6,000, and interest received on FD 15,000. Come on the payment side. Miscellaneous taxes, municipal taxes 20,000, charity 45,000, rent 30,000, then fixed deposit with the bank 3 lakh, meeting expense 25,000, TV set 40,000, tournament expense 60,000, furniture 15,000, and balance BD last is given 1,35,000. Okay beta, then additional information. Subscription received during the year included 10,000 for live members fee and 50,000 received for building. I think well known. Less this both amount. But when we are going to show the subscription on credit side, then less this both amount. Okay, then book value of defense bonds sold was 40,000. Here good bonds sold in 40,000 and his value is 30,000, means 10,000 is profit. 60,000 of defense bond is still in hand. It means we have the remaining closing of defense bond of 60,000. So on a balance sheet. Okay, then municipal tax amounted to 20,000 per year, paid up to 30 June. It means up to 30 June. 31st March we are going to close. So 3 month advance. Every year is 3 month advance. Means in beginning 3 month advance and last. Okay, advance is there and last year advance and next year advance. Both are given. That 5,000. Okay beta. Rent 5,000 is related to the year ended 31st March. That the outstanding rent for 2018 5,000 and for 19 2,500. Okay beta. Then it was decided to the trade 40% of the amount received on the amount of legacy and donation as income. It means the 40% of donation and legacy will treat as like a revenue. So we are going to show in a income and expenditure account. And on 31st April 18, the club owned furniture. Old furniture is 1,10,000 and closing balance of furniture is 1,05,000. On using of this additional information, we are going to calculate the depreciation. Okay. Now I am going to start the making of opening balance sheet. First, opening balance sheet data. Okay. Cash. Just see the cash 34,000 beta. Cash. Close opening balance. Okay. 34,000. Then assets. Then we are going to show the assets. Furniture Furniture 1,10,000. 1,10,000. And just see the information, additional information second. Okay, 30,000 value of bond we are set. Okay, and 60,000 is remain. It means 30 this and 60 is remain. 90,000 we have, beta. It means old bonds, government bonds. Old bonds we have 90,000. Okay, beta. Then this side okay, just see anything else. 5,000 is beginning advance, last year advance, na beta, in municipal tax. Every year they are going to pay for the up to June. Every year there. If this year we are going to pay up to June, so this year advance. Same way last year we have paid up to June. Last year advance. Advance municipal tax are prepaid. $5,000. 931. This side outstanding rent given a bit of 5,000. Just see 139,000. Then capital fund 4,031. 134. The capital fund is sorry 2 is there, no? 234. 1,90,000. Then 2,34,000. Okay. Now going to make the income and expenditure account. Start with the income side. First buy subscription. Okay, beta. And subscription amount is 2 lakh less the included money 10,000 plus 50,000. Okay, both are less from here 60,000, then 1 lakh 40,000. Okay, beta. Then go for the government grant. Buy government grant amount of 75,000. Then buy legacy and buy donation. Okay, legacy amount 1,50,000, 40%, 1 lakh 40%. Okay, it's a 60,000 and this will 40,000. Okay, clear? You are seeing the additional information, beta, na? In that additional information that is given about that. Okay, then donation for tournament and donation expense is more than, we are going to take that amount on income expenditure account. Interest on bond or sell, for sell, buy, sell of defense bonds. Bonds value beta 30,000. Okay, but we are selling in 40,000, so 10,000 will profit. So on this side, then buy interest on bond, that amount is 6,000. Then buy interest on FD, 15,000 is given. Okay, 15,000 given, but see the FD from the 1/7/2018 and 10% is rate. Rate is what? 10%. So just calculate 3 lakh 10% 30,000. But for the 9 months, because 7 is there, but na, from July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay beta, this is clear or not? It's from 1st July. So from July we are going to calculate. So July to March we are going to calculate that amount. So July to March we are calculating that amount is coming only 22,500. 15,000 is given here. Okay. Total interest needed are due 22,500. But here 1,500. It means 7,500 remain. It's outstanding income. So on this side add and 22,005. Okay beta. We are going to store 22,500. Anything else? Just see. Any income? No. Just total this amount 1,40,000, 2,10,000, 2,70,000, 3,10,000, 3,20,000, 3,40,000, 3,51,000, 52,000, 3,52,500, 3,52,500, 53,500, 3,53,500. Come on this side. First is municipal tax. That amount is 20,000. Add 5,000 less 5,000. Last year advance 5,000. This year advance 5,000. Total is 20,000 only. Okay beta. Go for the next charity. That amount is 45,000. Then to rent. Rent amount is beta 35,000 less 5,000 add 2,500. Outstanding last year 5,000, current year 2,500. It means 27,500. Then meeting expense. Meeting expenses 25,000. TV as I says tournament expense. Just see. Tournament expense is 60,000 and tournament fund or tournament donation is 50,000. 10,000 more expense. So only 10,000 we are going to show here. Okay beta. If the expense is more than of his fund or his donation, then we are only showing the expense, difference of expense. Okay beta. Then next is furniture or this thing, the only showing depreciation. Just see how we are going to calculate the depreciation. Opening balance of furniture 1,10,000. Okay beta. Opening balance of furniture 1,10,000 and then closing balance 1,05,000. On this base 5,000 depreciation, but we are purchasing 15,000 assets furniture also. So 1,10,000 and this 15,000. Total furniture is 1,25,000, but balancing amount is 1,05,000. It means 20,000 is what? 20,000 is depreciation. Okay beta. Anything else? Nothing. Just totaling all these all. $20, $40, $60, $80, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,20,000, 1,30,000, 1,37,500. Okay. 1,57,500. Five, three, one is given, 4 and 5, 11, 11, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 4, 7, 11, 6, 17, 4, 21, 21, and 4. 24 and 25, 2 is remain, okay. One lakh 30,000, 1,40,000, 1,50,000. 47,000. Okay, 20, 20, 40, 60, 60, 80, 1 lakh 30,000, 1,40,000, 1,47,000. So that is coming 2 lakh 6,000, 3 lakh 53, 500, 2 plus 2 lakh 6,000. Okay, beta? 2 lakh 6,000. Clear? Clear or not? See it again. Municipal tax 5 add 5 less, because advance of last year, advance of current year, 5,000. Okay. Charity, same amount, 45,000. Rent, 35,000 minus 5,000. It's a 30,000. Yes, it's a 30,000 minus 5,000 plus 2,500. Then municipal tax, meeting expense 25,000, tournament expense 10,000, 60,000 is given tournament expense, 50,000 it's fund or donation, 10,000 extra. So only we are going to show the tournament expense 10,000. Then depreciation 20,000, opening balance 1,10,000, 15,000 purchase. Then total is 1,25,000 less 1,05,000, difference amount is 20,000. That will show as like a depreciation. Okay. Then totaling 153,500, 153,500 less that amount 2,06,000. Okay. Then clear. Now going for the balance sheet. Clear this or not? Up to this is clear? Okay, go for the balance sheet. First, capital fund. Capital fund amount 2,34,000 and surplus 2,06,000, 4,40,000. Okay. Then anything else? This side nothing, but see the first additional information. 10,000 of life membership fee, 10,000 and 60,000 at donation of building. That amount is 60. I think 60 beta? No, 50,000. It's a 50,000. Okay? Clear? Up to this is clear? Then outstanding rent, five 2,500. Okay beta? Clear? That amount is, just see anything else? $10,000, $50,000. Interest, outstanding, not showing this side. Legacy and donation. Two things remain. C and donation. In legacy 150, 60 is showing, then 90 and 1 lakh, it's 60. Okay beta, just so 4 lakh 50,000, 5 lakh 90,000, 6 lakh 50,000, 6 lakh 50,000, 52 500, 6 lakh 52,000 500. Okay, come on the asset side. First balance means cash amount beta 135, 1,35,000. Okay, then see the next, fixed deposit FD, that amount is 3 lakh. Okay beta, then TV, that amount is 40,000. Okay, then furniture 1,05,000. Okay, 1,05,000. Anything else? And this bonds, government bonds, that amount is 60,000. Okay beta, clear? Just see anything else? Outstanding income, interest is there, that is 7,500, and prepaid municipal tax, prepaid municipal tax 5,000. Just see anything else or not? Furniture, tournament, and is all rent finished. Outstanding is there. I think will come 3, 4, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 6 lakh 30,000, 6 lakh 40,000, 6 lakh 52,000, 6 lakh 52,000. Okay. By this we are solving the questions. I am trying to solve the maximum question of this chapter beta. Okay. How much remain that question is there? You will try to solve and finish it. If you feel any type of problem with that, then tell about that. Okay. Any type of problem you feel with the question, directly ask me by the phone also. Okay. Clear? It's last question of this chapter. In next class, we are going to start next chapter, that is partnership. Okay? We are going to start next chapter, that is partnership. I think it's well clear. Try to maintain these all beta. this line, okay, expense, here line, liability and assets, these all, okay, because very important. Here I'm trying to just maintaining in time and do all the things in under the times, so something I'm just ignoring the things, but that is very important, and you all make the full pro forma and then so, okay. I think well clear with all the things. Any type of problem you feel, then directly ask me by phone, no problem about that, okay. Let's finish this chapter. 3 things we are making this chapter: opening balance sheet, income and expenditure account and balance sheet, okay beta. For income, for expense, outstanding of current year add outstanding of last year less advance of current year less advance of last year add. If you are going for the material consumed, expense during the year for material add beginning less closing. If creditor, then add closing less beginning, okay. All the thing is clear beta. Okay, now ending this chapter. In next class we are going to start next chapter, that is partnership, okay beta. Thank you.